Today we are doing the palpations for kinesiology class 3025, the lab. And I'm gonna go ahead and just get started. We're starting with our occiput and our nuchal lines. Those are both gonna be on the back of our head. So your occiput, if you put your hand on your scalp and go down backwards, it's the protruding part of your skull right here. Might be a little harder to see with all my hair, but it's right back there. And then our nuchal lines, if you go ahead and move the hair and go from that occiput down, your nuchal lines are going to be the part right here. How you know to identify them is you can ask their subject to push against the back of their head, and those should protrude. Okay, next we're going to go over the hyoid bone and C3 through 7. The hyoid bone, for men, you're going to go where their Adam's apple is. For women, it's same area. And it should be able to shift. The hyoid bone's going to be the part right up here. Right there. And then C3 through 7, same thing on the back. You're going to find this bony protrusion right here. C3 is going to be up, and then this is going to be C7 right here. I'm going to go through our thoracic spinuses, which is the part from C7 all the way to T12, which is usually right about here. And then T1 through 12 are all that middle area in between back there, all down your spine. And then the rib angles 1 through 12, your rib angles go further away as you start on the back. But for example, right here, if I want to find my rib angle, I'm going to pop where my spine is, go out, and I should feel a protrusion right about here. And then as I go lower on my ribs, the protrusion starts to become like right about here instead of up here. And then you do that one by one down the spine as well. Next is the sternum. So your sternum is right here. The sternum body is right here. In order to find the sternum, you can find the clavicles right here. This is the mandibrium, this little notch right here. And then the body. And then right, what people call like the breastbone almost, there's the xiphoid process, and that's the part where you do your CPR. It can actually get knocked off while you're doing CPR, and it can be really dangerous because it's like a loose bone in your body.